안녕하세요, 제 이름은 Empress Jaekyung입니다. Hello everybody, my name is Empress Jaekyung and welcome to Empress Jaekyung 360. So today I'm going to talk about Pansori. Have you heard the word Pansori before? Well, if you haven't, then you're at the right place because today I'm going to talk about Pansori. So stay tight.
이리 오너라 업고 놀자 이리 오너라 업고 놀자 사랑 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 내 사랑이야 사랑.
Pansori is a Korean genre of musical storytelling performed by a singer and a drummer. Sori means sound in Korea. According to a Pansori singer, she said, and I quote, "Sori, which is sound, could be sound of wind, sound of a waterfall, sound of sadness, or even sound of anger." Pansori is one of the traditional forms of Korean music that mixes body movement and songs to the accompaniment of a book drum played by a gusu. Pansori is a form of musical entertainment that has been inherited from the late 17th century to the present day in Korea. So if you have been watching historical dramas, you'll find out that we have Pansori singers there in the historical drama. So Pansori is not new. It has been in existence since late 17th century. Pansori has 12 sounds, which is also called 12 yard. Of the 12 original mangdang, only 5 are currently performed. They are Chunghangang, Shimchonga, Hunbunga, Sungunga, Chobyokga. Pansori, for you to have a perfect Pansori performance, you need a singer who sings with a fan in his or her hands, a gusu, which is the drummer, and of course, your wonderful audience. Rather than listening quietly, the audience add a true imset to it. What is true imset? True imset is a form of exclamation during the Korean traditional music. The audience makes exclamations such as "Olshiku Charanda," which means yep and good. Pansori deliver the feeling of the actors to the audience, from anger to joy, to sadness to pain. All are portrayed through stories and play. The stories described in Pansori all link to the distinct moral lesson issues of people. Each tale teaches a valuable lesson and illustrates the ancient Koreans' belief in karma in their own unique way. So now you know what Pansori is. It's nothing new. I know you've been watching a lot of historical drama. So thank you for watching. I still remain Empress Jaekyung, Empress of Black Korean Nigeria. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share also to others. Please listen to Pansori. It's very interesting.
웃음으로 가자 주석의 딸을 차려 산산용 운실번기 부딪혀오신 손님 자유가 없던 말로 네가 나를 차려 건너산 화무 토끼가 연구를 맺자고 나를 차려 주령각 가진 풍류 출랑 부서지 왔다고 왔다고 나를 차려 깡총처리로 깡총장군 거리고 내려온다